here's how to construct an angle bisector. So an angle bisector is basically just a line that goes exactly halfway through the angle. So like this would be an angle bisector. But for construction, we can't just draw the line, kind of like eyeball it and go, okay, that's the angle bisector. The point of a construction is to draw like exactly in half. So to do this, we're going to use our handy dandy compass. Why is it over here? So here's what we're going to do with our compass. First, we need to draw an arc across our angle. So I'm going to put it like right here, and we're just going to go ahead and draw an arc across our angle like this. Next, we need to draw a little X, and this X is going to be what we have to draw our angle bisector through. So the way that we draw an X, like exactly halfway between our 2 points here, is we just place our compass on each of these 2 points and draw one part of the X. So you can use any compass length for this as long as it's long enough to draw an X. So I'm going to put it like right here, and I'm going to lock it in this position. That's important. Basically, locking your compass makes sure that it doesn't become like shorter or longer length. It keeps the same length, which is going to be important for drawing our X. So we're starting our compass at this corner, and we're going to draw a little line here, just a little dash right here. And then keeping the same compass length, we're going to move it to the other corner of our angle, and we're going to draw the other half of our X. So we're going to go ahead and draw our other half right here. So as long as you've kept the compass length the same for both of these parts of the X, then this X should be exactly in half between these 2 points. And once we've done that, we can pull out our straight edge and we can draw a line between this point and the X. So there we go. I've lined it up between our point and the X, and I'm going to draw a line between them. So there we go. This is now officially the angle bisector of this angle. And what that means is that this angle here and this angle here should be the same amount of degrees because this line is splitting it exactly in half. So that's how you construct an angle bisector in geometry. Now, a little important geometry term here. When those two angles were the same amount of degrees, that meant that they were congruent angles. But there are other types of angles, such as complementary angles and supplementary angles. So if you want to learn about those different terms and what they mean, you can watch this video right here. And as always, if you have any questions about this video, go ahead and leave it in the comments and I'll be sure to answer your question. Thanks for watching.